This is question 40 from the specimen paper. So here we have a collision of two balls with the same mass 2.5 kilos. One is at rest and one is approaching at 3 meters per second. And after the collision, the red one goes with the speed x and the other one at 1 meters per second. Given all this information, we're supposed to say what value this speed x will have. We see a collision, so we automatically write down the momentum before and after the collision, because that is always conserved. Before defining the direction to the right as positive, we have just 0.2 kilograms times 3 meters per second. The red ball doesn't carry any momentum. And after the collision, this is the contribution from the blue ball, while the red ball contributes with 0.2 kilograms times x, this unknown speed. And now, using conservation of momentum, we should set these two quantities equal to one another. 0.6 equals 0.2 plus 0.2x. And rearranging for x, we see that x will be equal to 2, which in the exam was option C.